Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here. In this video we have some very interesting news on Bitcoin as well as the Bitwise AUM, that is assets under management. Before we get into today's crypto news, I do have a quick offer for you. There has never been a better time to get a VPN. Right now, PureVPN is giving 62% off of their 1-year plan and 88% off of their 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. That again is 88% off of their 5-year plan and 62% off of their 1-year plan. If you're worried about hackers or intrusive government gathering your personal information, look no further than PureVPN. But you have to act now because this discount will not last. Once again, click the link in the description. Okay, so JPMORGAN, one of the biggest investment banking giants, JPMORGAN has predicted that Bitcoin's price could rise over 146,000 US dollars in the long term. Investment banking giant JPMORGAN has called a long-term Bitcoin price target of over 146,000 US dollars based on the assumption that the cryptocurrency will grow in popularity as an alternative to gold. Quote, a crowding out of gold as an alternative currency implies big upside for Bitcoin over the long term, strategist led by Nicholas, I'm not even going to try the last name, wrote in a note on Monday. Quote, Bitcoin's current market capitalization of around 575 billion US dollars would have to rise 4.6 times for a theoretical Bitcoin price of 146,000 US dollars to match the total private sector investment in gold via exchange traded funds or bars and coins. However, analysts argue that Bitcoin's price volatility needs to drop for institutions to make large allocations. The convergence of Bitcoin and gold volatilities is a multi-year process and suggests that the 146,000 US dollar price target is a long-term objective, JPMORGAN noted. Bitcoin rallied by 300% to 29,000 US dollars in 2020. That is now over that, and extended gains to new record prices of 34,000 US dollars in the first 3 days of the new year. The cryptocurrency has gained over 160% in the last 3 months alone, helped along by increased institutional participation, okay? So do I agree with this price target? I absolutely think Bitcoin could hit this price. When you look at gold, when you look at the market cap of gold, there are some different numbers floating around, but from most of what I have seen, gold's market cap is roughly $10 trillion. Okay, so $10 trillion for gold. Bitcoin's market cap is not even $1 trillion yet. So what does this mean? This in essence means Bitcoin has a lot of room to run, okay? Now, Bitcoin doesn't necessarily have to reach that $10 trillion mark for its price to increase. Even if it hit $2 trillion of the $10 trillion market cap that gold has, the price would go crazy. It would go parabolic, okay? Of course, for the 146,000 US dollar price target, Bitcoin would have to rise about 4.6 times for it to hit that target, but I personally think it's very doable. I don't think it's going to happen within weeks or months, but I think when you're looking over the long term, the long haul, it definitely could reach that. There are a lot of very smart people saying Bitcoin could even get close to $100,000 by the end of this year. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. Next up, we have Bitwise assets under management surpasses 500 million US dollars as institutions flock to crypto. The fund manager's inflows suggest investors are seeking broad exposure to cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ether. Leading crypto fund manager Bitwise Asset Management reached a major milestone in the fourth quarter of 2020 as inflows into its products surged to new record highs, underscoring heightened institutional demand for digital assets. The firm's assets under management, or AUM, surpassed $500 million. This is an increase from $100 million on October 28th of 2020. So only in a few months, it is essentially a 5x increase. Why is this? Well, the main reason is institutions are getting involved. Institutions are looking at cryptocurrency because they see all the money printing going on with the US dollar. They know the value is going to go down. They know inflation is going to occur, and cryptocurrencies represent a good opportunity or an alternative opportunity for them to put their money in and see capital growth. Very interesting how much institutional demand we are seeing. Moving on to the markets today. Markets are up total 5% today. A nice steady day today. No one asset is going parabolic today, but most are up at least a couple percent on the day. Bitcoin is up about 2.5%. Ethereum is up about 3%. XRP is down about 3%. Litecoin up about 2.5%. Polkadot about 4%, Cardano up a nice 18%. Markets are looking healthy today. We had a pullback the other day, of course, with Bitcoin, but now things are looking healthy again. Like I've been saying, watch the altcoins, watch Bitcoin, keep your eye on both of them because both have very unique properties and very unique opportunities when it comes to investing. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.